Today we're going to be doing a review on this Zacro bicycle helmet. This is a purchase we recently made for my wife. So this is everything that you get with the helmet laid out right here. You get an instruction manual. There is a visor for this helmet which is detached. You put it on after you get it if you want it to be on. A card from the company, and then there's this bonus headband that they included as well. So let's start with the visor. And when you look at the visor, you will see these little bumps right here. And that is where it is going to snap into on each side of the helmet. So the first thing I'll do is put these back on. We had them on once before, but I'm going to put them on now just to show you how it goes.
Hey guys, I'm Dan, and welcome to Dan's Review Lab. I test all kinds of products, so you don't have to. If you find something interesting in this video, check the description for my affiliate link. This means that I will earn a small commission if you buy something. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you honest reviews. I certainly appreciate it, and now let's get back to the review.
And you have to push a little bit harder than you might think. You're afraid that oh gosh, I don't want to break it, but I guess that is to be expected if you want it to fit snugly. So in any case, this is how the helmet looks with the visor reattached. And as you'll see with this visor, when you're riding around on a hot summer day, you want to stay cool, and there are little vents, little holes all throughout this helmet to help keep you cool as you're biking. When we flip it around, we can see that in the back here, this is just a little adjuster that you can turn to make the size of the helmet bigger or smaller. Now, before you order the helmet, they have sizes listed online to help you know which size is best for you. So you're going to have to measure your head to get the best fit possible. On the sides, you can see where it comes down by your ear. There's a little adjustment here so you can raise or lower this so it fits properly around your ear. Again, that's on both sides. And then on the bottom, you can see the little clip like you would expect. And then there is this little cushion as well. And you can also, again, adjust this to make it tighter or looser under your chin. And this cushion Velcros on and off. So if you don't like it and you prefer not to have this cushion beneath your chin, you can remove that as well. All of the cushioning or padding, whatever you want to call it, inside here, you can see is all this lighter color. It's actually more generous cushioning than what I've seen in some other helmets that we've had in the past. And the cushioning on this helmet is also, it Velcros in. It's removable. So if it gets dirty and you need to wash it and you just don't want to ride around with a helmet that's all dirty or smelly, you can now take that out and clean that. So that's pretty much it. Again, we like the design on it. My wife really appreciated the cool design and all of the holes to help keep her cool when she's biking. And it's lightweight. Nobody wants to be wearing a helmet that's feeling like you're being weighed down. So when you order this helmet, you really get everything that you're hoping for, which is why we happily endorse it. I hope this video has been helpful.